Today we're going to be working on Leetcode question number 42, trapping rainwater. Given n non-negative integers representing an elevation map where the width of each bar is 1, compute how much water it can trap after raining. So here's the example 1. So based on that, it can trap up to 6 digits or whatever. So basically the heights are provided. The way we're gonna be solving this question is called the two pointer method. So we're gonna have one pointer at the beginning known as the left pointer and one pointer at the end known as the right pointer. Every single time we're gonna be calculating the height and the maximum of the left we have seen so far, and similarly the height of the right side and the maximum between the height we have seen so far. And based on that and the next value, the current value, we're gonna be incrementing the result. So the base case is gonna be that if the height is null or undefined, or the height array, the length of it is equal to 0, meaning an empty array, we're gonna returning 0. We're gonna start with our left pointer, which is pointing to the leftmost side, and the right pointer, which is pointing to the last and the rightmost element. Then we're gonna initialize our left max and the right max, like the maximum heights of the coming from the left side, the maximum height we have seen, and coming from the right, the maximum height we have seen so far. And we're gonna initialize the result with 0. Once we initialize it, what we're gonna be saying is, like, we're gonna keep doing this algorithm while the left is less than the right, as both are gonna, left is gonna try to increment and the right is gonna try to decrement, and until the left is not equal less than right, we're gonna keep doing it. We're gonna calculate the left max, which is basically the left max, the maximum between the left max and the current height of the left pointer. So this is basically saying what is the maximum left side height you have seen so far. So if the current height is less than the maximum height you have seen so far, then we're going to be incrementing our result by whatever is the difference, because that's the water trapped from the left side. And then we're going to do the same, very similar thing to the right side. So right max is going to be equal to the max between the right max, which we have seen so far, and the current height from the right side. If that height from the right side is less than the maximum you have seen so far, then same way we're going to be incrementing the result by the right max minus the height from the right side. So after that, what we're going to be doing is, like, we have the result here. So based on the heights of the left and the right, we're going to either increment the left side or decrement the right side. So whoever has the less height, that is gonna get incremented or decremented. The other one stays the same. So if the left has the less height, that is gonna get incremented. If the right has less height, that is gonna decrement. And in that, we're gonna return the result. So yeah, it's a little bit tricky, but that would do it. Let's check it out for the other test cases. Yeah, and it passed all the test cases.